How to turn on or off heart rate alert on Amazfit Bip 3 Pro smartwatch. The first thing you need to do is download the Zepp app. After downloading the Zepp app on your device, you are going to sync it with your smartwatch. Then you are going to tap on Profile in the bottom right hand corner. After selecting Profile, you are going to tap on Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. Then you are going to see heart monitoring at the top. You are going to select that. Then you will see heart rate alert. You are going to toggle on that. And from here you can select the heart rate that you would like to receive a notification. As you can see, when heart rate alert is on, when the alert value is reached and there is no obvious activity in the last 10 minutes, it generates a vibration alert. So you'll simply tap on that. Then you will set the limit that you would like, for example 100, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.